Hi, this is Jenna from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm going to share with you my winter into spring Stitch Fix box review. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Sit Bite Go channel on YouTube. I'm going to be sharing regular updates on my Stitch Fix boxes with you. So this was one of my major disappointments from this fix, but I was looking for things that were a little bit different and outside of my usual date night wear. I thought this was going to be a cute sweater, but it ended up being a kind of strange tank top shawl hybrid. I wasn't really feeling it, but it might be right for you. I really like the jackets that I find on Stitch Fix. They have such cute shapes and colors and things. This faux leather one was almost hitting the mark, but it's a little hard to see over the layered top I'm wearing underneath. I forgot to get a video of this cami, but it's going to look really cute with skinny jeans. These booties are so comfortable and soft. They don't even feel like they need to be broken in at all. Unfortunately, I have a pair that looks really similar to them in black, so I decided not to keep them. I love when Stitch Fix sends me a pair of skinny jeans that I can wear right out of the box. I am a petite, so I usually have to get things hemmed, but these zippered ones look really cute. Below you'll see links to my Pinterest board for style and to a site that has a full-on review of these at sitbitego.com. Don't forget to subscribe for future Stitch Fix box reveals. Cheers!